Imagine your brain as a data center. Night shift rolls in, servers go into maintenance, system admin locks down movement so nothing glitches during updates. That's REM sleep, your dream engine. Paralysis is the security protocol called atonia. But sometimes you wake up mid-maintenance, eyes online, body offline. You try to move, every command times out. And then the logs fill with weird entries, footsteps in the hall, pressure on your chest, shadow at the door. That's sleep paralysis. Consciousness boots before motor control. Your brain renders dreams into your real room. Here's what's happening. In REM, your brain disables most muscles, so you don't act out dreams. Surface too quickly and the movement lock stays on while senses are live. Your prediction engine hates uncertainty. It fills gaps with threat templates. Intruder, presence, wait. Evolutionarily cheap, emotionally expensive. Common triggers? Irregular sleep, stress, jet lag, sleeping on your back, certain meds, sleep deprivation. More likely when you dip in and out of REM or pull all-nighters. Maintenance windows get messy when updates are rushed. Is it dangerous? Usually, no. Terrifying? Yes. Harmful? Not typically. If episodes are frequent, violent, or involve acting out dreams, that's a different ticket. Worth a professional look for: REM behavior disorder, narcolepsy, apnea. If you're in an episode, here's the playbook. Don't fight the whole system. Send tiny packets, wiggle a toe, twitch a finger, blink. Breathe slow and steady. Count 4 in, 4 out. Label it. This is sleep paralysis. It will pass. Focus on a safe anchor, an object in the room, without trying to move. For some, initiate a cough or move the tongue to break the lock, to cut episodes down. Keep a regular sleep schedule. Same uptime, same downtime. Build a wind down. Dim lights, no heavy meals, less caffeine and alcohol late. Try side sleeping instead of on your back. Manage stress, breath work, light exercise, journaling. If it persists, discuss with a clinician. Sometimes therapy or medication helps. Culturally, people have explained this as demons, witches, the old hag. Different names, same protocol, awake mind, sleeping body, dream content bleeding into reality. Understanding doesn't erase the fear, but it gives you a dashboard. So next time the system admin catches you awake during maintenance, don't spam the keyboard. Send a small command, wait for the handshake, let the reboot finish. You're not broken. Your brain is just really good at its job, protecting you while you dream.